Okay, so for the second page, we have now graphing. Question 10 and 11 are asking you to write the equation in slope-intercept form. If you know the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, this is a very easy question. For example, my slope is 5, my y-intercept is -3, so all I have to do is plug those in. This is my slope m, y-intercept is b. When I plug them in, I get an easy equation. So it's not like super hard to think about it. 12 and 13 are the same way. I'm going to do 13 because I think that one's harder because my line is going down. So y equals mx plus b. My y-intercept, I literally find it on the y-axis, which is 1. So I cross that 1. And then my slope is rise over run. So I find out how many times did I go up. Well, in this case, I went down. That means it's going to be a negative slope. I went down 1 time, and I went over 1 time. So 1 over 1, or y equals -x plus 1. You can simplify. 1 over 1 is just 1, and we don't need it because it's invisible 1. So you can make it look nicer if you wanted to. For questions 14 and 15, they're very similar to 10 and 11. The difference is that now they want point slope form. Point slope form is y1 minus y minus y1, m parentheses x minus x1. And again, if you color code them, y1, x1, and slope, all you have to do is plug them in where they go. So that one should not be an issue. And again, I color code them because that means my brain kind of just follows the colors. I don't have to overthink it. It's done for me. It goes like that. Question 15 is the same way. The y value is 0 equals my slope x minus x. And you don't really need the 0, so you can just scratch it off or rewrite it nicely if you want to. There's the answer. The last 3 questions, I think they're easy. All we have to do is graph the y-intercept first, and then follow your slope up 1 and over 1, and you get in a line, so it's fine. This one is a little bit trickier because it's not in slope-intercept form. All you have to do is move the x that way, though. So since I have a positive x, I subtract it from both sides, and I end up with y equals -3 minus x. X goes first, so my y-intercept is -3, and I go down over 1, connect the dots. So that one shouldn't be too bad.